Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make your gravy easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of fat from your roasted meat, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 2 cups of your favorite broth. This combination forms the perfect foundation for a rich and delicious gravy. It's truly amazing how just a few items can create such a wonderful sauce. Now let's create our roux, the secret to a smooth gravy. Heat your pan drippings over medium heat until they're shimmering. Then, whisk in the 2 tablespoons of flour. Keep whisking constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture turns a light golden color. This cooking process removes the raw flour taste and builds a fantastic base for your gravy. Next, we'll add the liquid to achieve that perfect gravy consistency. Slowly pour in your 2 cups of broth, whisking continuously to avoid any lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally. Let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll notice it thickening beautifully as it simmers, creating a rich and velvety texture that everyone will love. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Taste your gravy and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your liking. You can also add a small pinch of fresh or dried herbs, like sage or thyme, for an extra layer of flavor. If you prefer a super smooth gravy, simply strain it through a fine mesh sieve. Now, serve your incredible homemade gravy warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.